These are the various advantages of SPSS. The first is a user-friendly interface. SPSS has user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both beginners who are just at an initial level and as well as for experienced user to navigate. The menu-driven interface allows user to perform statistical analysis and create visualization without needing to write code. The another advantage is a comprehensive statistical analysis. SPSS offers a wide range of statistical procedure for analyzing data, from basic descriptive statistics to advanced multivariate analysis. This makes it suitable for a variety of research purpose and study design. The third is a data management. Under data management, we see SPSS provide tools for importing, cleaning, and managing dataset. It allows user to handle missing data, restructure dataset, and create new variables, making data preparation in a more efficient way. Under data visualization, SPSS offers a variety of tools for creating chart, graph, plots to visualize data. This helps user to explore their data and communicate their findings in a more effective way. Under integration, SPSS can integrate with other software packages such as Microsoft Excel and a PowerPoint to facilitate data import and export. It also offers integration with programming language like Python and R for more advanced analysis. So these are the another programming techniques like Python and R, which are also used in social sciences researches. Another advantage of SPSS is automation, under which SPSS offer features for automating repetitive tasks such as running analysis on multiple datasets or generating reports. This helps users save time and improve efficiency. So in case like you want to run multiple things on a data set, so yes, like it will save your time and further it will provide all of the data set in a very effective way. The last one is a support. Under support, we can see the most important advantage of SPSS is it offers comprehensive documentation, tutorial, and user forum to help users learn how to use the software effectively. Additionally, IBM provide technical support for SPSS users. So overall, SPSS is a versatile and powerful software package that, as from advantage and as well as from its essential features we have already seen. So it offers a wide range of features for statistical analysis, data management, data visualization, and as I already mentioned that it is a very user-friendly interface, and with its comprehensive capabilities, it make SPSS make itself in as a very valuable tool for the researchers and analysts in our various field.